Hello student, in my channel in the first class all are welcome. Here now I draw a house and it is actually cottage you see, and now the process analyzation of this painting of cottage you see. Here the fact is that when you draw a cottage, at that time you must have to be notified that these two lines, this one and this one must be parallel, and this one and this one must be parallel, like this parallelogram. And at this side also this line and this line must be parallel, and here the line just above the door, this line, and at the above of the windows also this line and this line must be at the same plane. If you put a pencil, you see that these are at the same line, just at the same line. Now you can give here this. It is not necessary to give these lines parallel in case of cottage, but if you draw the house in town areas, then you must have to do these two lines parallel. And also this is the door, these are the windows at that. Now in my class 2, this is the path entering or outcoming from the home. If I give here a tree, then it must be like it. I part it because I use here a different color. Now I color it here in pastel. You see, this is a polo well pastel color of 25 shades. Now just see what the color of it is. Here at first you have to keep mind that if there is a sky, then you must use and color it at first, and I color it here the sky blue. I color it sky blue, as this sky is just inside of all the items present in this picture, hence you must color it at first. Now after coloring this, it is necessary to color the land of here. I use lemon yellow color in this case, you just see. Now at the downwards I use here the light green color. This is yellow color on the path. And also brown. You can use the orange color for more better visualizing, and you can also give the grasses here by dark green and Prussian blue. This is black. Now the shadow of it is at that sense. I use certainly here gray color, but you can also use more colors such as brown, dark brown, sky blue, etc. Several color you can use in this case. But here you have to draw the color, pastel color, basically in up to downward sense, and try to mix it with the page of the paper, color of the page of the paper. Don't keep it as a line. In pastel color, if you keep it as a line, then it will not be shown very clear. So try to mix it up. Here it is dark yellow, I mean deep yellow, and at the upward sense I use medium yellow. And here I use the shade of orange color at the downward, and this is just below, so we have to use here something dark color, like I use here dark brown color, and it is inside the home, so it may also be in vision dark. These are also. Now this is yellow color, and at the footsteps we use dark brown color. This is peach, and the shade of it on is brown. This is brown color. Now here I use white color to mix it. You can already mix it if you have an idea about mixing. Now I here use black color, and the shadow of this portion of this cottage will be at this sense, so I use here something black color, and these are the bamboo. Now here I use yellow color for this tree, and this is dark brown. Now to draw the leaf of the tree, we necessarily used here medium green, and at the downward sense we use dark green. You can also use at first Prussian blue, but I use it later on. Now here I use light green, and at the upward sense I use it lemon yellow color. Now I use here the shade Prussian blue. In the mid portion also you can give. This is black. And here for greater shadows you use black color, which is very dark. Now after this you give here orange color. Okay, my cottage is already done. Here you can also uh, take this portion like here, as this, and then what color would you do? Just see. You have to use at first black color here, then at the downward seams you have to use the dark brown color. Now gray, okay, and this is the window. At this portion you use medium yellow, and just like the previous cottage, I use here also orange color, and also brown color. Here brown color it is. And now finally it is okay. So for the next classes you must subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get the videos at first. And here I promise you that the next videos obviously be very better than it. And for getting more ideas about the painting and art and crafts, you must subscribe it. Okay, thank you.